When you use iTunes to back up or restore your iPhone, you may sometimes encounter this issue. iTunes could not back up the iPhone device name. Today, we will share 6 effective methods to solve this problem. If you are experiencing iTunes backup issues, please continue watching this video. Part 1. Why is the backup session failed on iTunes? iTunes corruption, insufficient iCloud storage, computer error, antivirus software, outdated iTunes version. Part 2. How to fix iTunes backup session failed. Fix 1. Restart computer and iPhone. When you encounter any software problem, restarting your device is always a tried and tested solution. Fix 2. Update iTunes. Older versions of iTunes can cause compatibility issues during the backup process. Fix 3. Check Windows security settings. Occasionally, antivirus software on your PC or Mac can interfere with the iTunes backup process, causing it to fail. Fix 4. Manage old backups. iTunes backup session failures can often be attributed to an out-of-date backup stored on your computer. Fix 5. Reset lockdown folder. Compatibility and violation issues are often the root cause of many problems with iTunes backup files. Resetting the lockdown folder can help resolve privacy issues. If you've tried all the solutions and still can't fix the issue, consider using an iTunes alternative. Mobikin Assistant for iOS is a powerful tool for backing up and restoring iPhone data. It ensures data security without the hassle of iTunes errors. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your PC using a USB cable and launch Assistant for iOS on your computer. Step 2. Navigate to the file folders displayed on the left sidebar of the software. Select the types of data you wish to back up. Step 3. After selecting all the files you want to back up, click the Export button, located in the top menu bar to initiate the backup process. One-click backup. Step 1. Once your iPhone is connected to your computer, navigate to the Super Toolkit section in the software interface. Step 2. Select iTunes Backup and Restore. A pop-up window will appear on your computer screen listing all detected iOS devices eligible for backup. Step 3. Click on the Backup button to choose the device you want to back up and designate the location where you want to store the backup files. Then, initiate the backup process by clicking Backup.